my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Kelsey. Today I've got wet hair. As you may have recalled, I think it was probably over a year ago, I did this video where I tried to teach myself how to blow dry my hair. I'm not a natural blonde at all, and so when I go to the salon, they always give me this gorgeous blowout, and then I'm like, I want my hair like this. The sun just left. Okay. Every time I go to the salon, they give me this gorgeous blowout, and I'm just like, I want my hair to look like this forever. I just procrastinate showering because the blow dry looks so beautiful, and I can never do it at home. And I have a little bit of texture when my hair dries. It gets a little bit frizzy. I've got all these little baby hairs up here that get really curly, and I don't know. I'm not good at doing my own hair. Like, it's like my character's main weakness. Like, I'm not good at doing my hair. So I have made this discovery, and I'm just really excited to share it with you guys. And I'm gonna teach you how to blow dry, get that Victoria's Secret, like, gorgeous dream, bouncy blowout yourself. The struggle with doing my own hair, if I want a blowout, if I want beach waves, if I want a barrel curl, I have to go through 3 different tools and steps, and it takes me like over an hour to do my hair. I have to blow dry it, and then it's like this big frizzy mess, so I straighten it, and then I'll take a curling iron and do whatever I need to do to my hair. It takes forever, it's multiple different tools, which is expensive, and there's just a lot of problems, and I know a lot of you probably have the same problem with me, and I'm just very excited. Like, the weight has been lifted off my shoulders. As you can see by my giddiness, like, I never get excited to do my hair, and I'm excited to talk about this today. So I am more than happy to say that I'm going to be using the Dyson Airwrap to show you guys how I do my at-home, dreamy, perfect, like the salon did it for me, blowout that literally takes me less than 20 minutes. I'm not even gonna say 20 minutes because it takes me like less than 20 minutes. And all of the different attachments, now that's like the fun. I've got this whole kit. That's part of the fun of this tool. So it like can replace everything. Like, I seriously don't need anything else besides this. This is my ride or die. Okay, so the main ones that are my favorite are these two. Like, these are gonna be like our #1 for using the tool. I do use a couple other like fun things I'm gonna show you as well to like change up the look, but these are the main 2 that I love. This one is my top favorite attachment, so we're gonna start with this. So the Dyson is a wet to dry styler, which is why my hair as well, which is great because it eliminates that whole I have to blow dry my hair first. So with the Dyson Airwrap, it uses air. It's definitely going to be a lot healthier for you if you have bleached hair like mine, or if you have color treated hair, or just damaged hair in general. And it also doesn't go past a certain heat temperature, so it's very, very like gentle on your hair. So very easy. I'm just gonna pop that right in there. And this is the attachment that I like to use the most because it's literally just like brushing your hair. Like, it's like that easy. So usually when it struggles with hot tools is like you can't get all up in your face and like around the ear parts and like all these baby hairs because you'd burn your face, or you'd burn your neck, or your ear, like whatever it is. So this is literally just like brushing your hair. Like, I'm literally going to turn it on and just like brush my hair, and it's gonna straighten out my roots. It's gonna dry out any excess. They do have a blow dryer attachment. So if your hair is like soaking wet and you're like fresh out the shower in a rush, then you can use this, but since I did my makeup and everything, it's kind of like halfway dry already, so I can skip this. But this is great because I used to hate, like, especially in the summer, like say you're fresh from the beach, you take a shower, you're headed to dinner now. When my hair is sopping wet out of the shower, like I said, it takes me over an hour to do my hair. Like, it takes so long, so then I normally have to go with wet hair, or just like I have to throw it up in this like gross, ugly, messy bun. My life has been saved. So the buttons are same as their blow dryer if you have that, which is also what I use. So it's pretty similar. It's pretty easy. You have your fan here, your heat here, and your on button, and a cool shot. Very simple. So I have it all the way up on both, just because I want like max power, but you can do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna start brushing my hair. Literally, it's that easy. I also don't even, you can section your hair, but I mean, it's so simple. I just kind of like grab big chunks and just start brushing my hair away from my face. Before we go in, sometimes if I'm like in a quick mode, I can just use this attachment and get the full hair look. If I want that more like pro Victoria's Secret look, like what we're going to do, I'm gonna touch up with this guy right here. But you're gonna see what the end result looks like with this too, because it's still pretty. It just like looks a little bit different, and that's more like barely like put together, and this is more like natural, loose, everyday. So you can literally leave it after we do this. So what I'm gonna do is like brush down to straight and then flick it out like that, kind of giving it like a swoop. Oh, so pretty. See how it's got that like swoopy, like 70s sort of blowout look? If you want more of the curly, bouncy barrel blowout, that's where I go and I grab random sections and do it with this and like my front pieces just to frame them more. But they both have like gorgeous looks on their own. So if I'm like in a rush, then I'll just like take my wet hair out the shower and I'll really quick and then that's it. But then if I want it to look like super fancy and like flirty and bouncy, then I'll like go in with this too. Look how pretty that looks. Okay, so fast forward, this is the look that I get when using this. It's like an in-between. It's not 100% the look I'm going for with the blowout, but it's still like this gorgeous swoopy look. So when I'm just going for straight out the shower, I just want pretty hair, like I want my hair to look nice, then I'll just use this. But if I have a few extra minutes, then I will go ahead and take this bad boy and we'll attach that right onto there. So I have like some hair in it. As you can tell with the brush attachment, I get some pieces that are just like a little crimp, like a little wave like that. And then you get these smaller pieces that are like actual curls. I mean, that's the case with any tool. The smaller the piece that you grab, the more you're going to have of a curl. So that's sort of like what I get with this. And it's like a very natural look. It's just like whatever my hair happens to do. So now we're gonna go in with this piece and it's gonna work the exact same. We're just going to grab pieces, bend it away from the face, and also this like continuously brushes your hair so your hair feels like so soft afterwards. Look at that swoop. Look at that perfect little swoop. And then just kind of like frames your face like that perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so hard to achieve when blow drying your hair, like that perfect front swoop. And here is my finished hair after just finished blow drying it out. I feel like so much happier that I can do this hair at home. Like my favorite hair. You don't need to go to a blow dry bar. You don't need to go back to your salon because the Dyson Airwrap is seriously an all-in-one. So same thing, they have like a ton of different sizes. So the big barrel is the one I like to use the most. Small ones will get you more like bouncy, springy curls, which I don't wear as often because I feel like my natural hair looks like that, so I don't really need to use these. But big barrel curls are gorgeous. It's like this hair look, but a little bit more dramatic. You see me wear it all the time. And so for this attachment, if you're wondering why there's two of each, it's because literally they make it foolproof. Like I said, the arrows are where the air is blowing. So this one is gonna go away from my face. So I swear you don't need to do anything with this tool besides hold it and plug it in. The thing I like with this blowout is see how like I have pieces going in different directions. That was something I could never master with other tools, is they would all go in the same direction, all look exactly the same, and I would get that like Jimmy Neutron's mom sort of look. And it wasn't what I was going for. Like when you go to the salon, this is what it looks like. They're all sort of swooping in their own like waves. Loved that. So this can also sort of help just like add more body if you're going for that like big voluminous look, and it's just gonna like grab the hair for me. Like seriously, it's just. And see how it just adds like a little bit more texture to the blowout. So if you like wanna, ooh, that looked really good. So if you just wanna like have fun with it and just like add in, that looked better than what I had before. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'll probably do it on this side too. So if you just want to like have fun and add texture and just add like little bouncy pieces in between, so they're not all just a flip, you can add some like curly cues, which will give your hair more volume and body, which is really fun. Like especially if I know I need my hair to last a really long time, then you want that extraness so that like as the time goes by, your hair wears down. This looks great as a second and even third day hair look. Like sleeping on this and then waking up, you still have that tously volume, which is amazing. So, okay, see how I just kind of grabs it and you just pull it towards your head and it curls it for you. And then I'll let it down. And look how perfect that is. So, now I have like my gorgeous hair. I don't even know what to do with myself because I'm going to be staying inside all day today. but I wanted to shoot this tutorial for you guys. So I want to give a big shout out, like the biggest shout out to the Dyson Airwrap. Thank you, Dyson, for sponsoring this video and letting me work with you guys. This product is amazing. I highly encourage you guys to check out this product. I know that it's a little bit in the higher end price range, but it's going to replace all those little hot tools you have in that drawer under your sink. You can literally get rid of all of them and just have this. And it comes with all of the attachments. It comes with this gorgeous big carrying case so that you can travel with this. This is amazing. It's so easy to use, like I said, and look, I literally just used this 20 seconds ago and I can hold it. Like, it's not even hot. You don't burn yourself. Like, all of the issues that I have with my other hot tools, I don't have to worry about with this. So I want all of you guys to have big, gorgeous hair and to be confident and happy in your hair, because I always feel so much better with my hair. I can have no makeup on, but if my hair looks stunning, then like the whole look is together, you know what I mean? It's all in the hair. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know that you guys have been commenting on my pictures a lot and being like, show us how you do your hair, and I never do hair tutorials, I'm so sorry. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. So I will have a link in the description for you guys to shop the Dyson Airwrap. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, hair tutorials aren't normally my thing, but I wanted to share with you guys my look. If you want to see more lifestyle, more, I guess, beauty, hair, fashion, a little bit of everything, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also check out my Instagram. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.